In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot. Let's start from the main HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, look toward the top navigation bar. There, you'll see a series of menu options. Find the one labeled Content. This is where HubSpot groups tools related to your website and other assets. Go ahead and click on Content. Taking this first step brings you into the area where you can manage your site pages, which is exactly where we need to be for working with anchor links. After you've opened the content section, you'll see several options for different types of content. From this list, look for website pages. This section holds all the pages that make up your website, such as your homepage, landing pages, and other key site sections. Click on website pages. If you have multiple domains or multiple page groups, you might see a list, but the process is the same. You're simply navigating into the library of pages where you'll choose the one you want to edit. Once the website pages screen loads, you'll see a table of your pages, usually with columns like page name, status, and last updated date. From this list, locate your home page. This is typically the main entry point for visitors to your site and a common place to use anchor links, especially if you have a longer scrollable homepage layout. Click on Home to open it in the page editor. With the homepage editor open, you'll be able to see the different modules or sections that make up your layout. To insert and manage anchor links, you'll be working inside this editor. Look for the section or module where you want an anchor link to point, and also where you want the clickable text or button to live. Now, use the drag and drop functionality provided by HubSpot. You can drag link modules, buttons, or menu items into the layout, depending on your template. Drop the link element into the specific location on the page where you want visitors to click. Once it's in place, configure that link to point to the appropriate anchor on the same page, or to another page section, following your existing anchor naming convention. Take a moment to preview your page and test the links by clicking them and ensuring they scroll or jump to the correct section. When everything looks good, save and publish your changes so your updated anchor links are live for your visitors.